low-level shot, cooking and dinner time. So I change my ISO and change my EV value and try to master the camera to get a good low-level shot. Or just leave it on automatic and it'll do its job. I don't know if you see the flames any better if you change the settings. So you tell me, what do you see? Is it any smoother when the EV value is forced down to -3 and you're on 3200 ISO and you can't do anything more than that? That to me looks a lot better if you ask. Oh yeah. You could try to adjust brightness in a program, but tell you what, not going to do much but just increase some brightness. Now, white balance to 5500, ISO 3200, and of course the EV value is forced to -3.0. And that's how the camera works. Waiting for my lights to come on. Let's play some musical lights here. Woo, 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 woo. Can you play musical lights? Oh yeah. Can you get that one to go off? Oh, look at that. Yeah, woo-hoo. Magic. How about these lights? Can you get these to go on? I think I need to get some charge on those. They didn't go. I'll change them out later. Much better, man. Look at the flame on that. Just watch that flame. See if this flames up on you. Chicken grease. You love chicken grease. Oh, the chicken's burning! Chicken's burning! Look at the flame! Look at it! How close is that? Is that like 8 inches? 6 inches? I think this chicken's burning. That's perfect low light shot. Just look at that. Oh, I gotta turn my light on. This light didn't go on. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. My Santa's lit. Yeah. Well, let's get back to my cooking. My cooking's almost done. Oh, yeah. Just about ready. Another 5 more minutes.